showcasing a brand new build and impeccable design. This executive residence boasts opulence and luxury at every turn. Constructed to a highest standards, situated on 700 square meters, this 510 square meters home displays incredible attention to detail with 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Hi, this is Kevin Chiu, your prestigious property sales specialist. Together with my strategic partner, Zhang, it is our pleasure to present to you number 2, Chuan Court Street, Sunnybank Hills, an inspired custom home optimized for today's modern lifestyle.
Flowing off the entryway, the former lounge room is a perfect retreat. Featuring plantation shutters, a pressed metal wall, and a 1.5 kilowatt electric heater. There is no better setting to cozy up on winter nights. Formal spaces exude elegance and grandeur while never forgetting their purpose entertaining friends and family. Steps away, red cedar bifolding doors open stack to reveal a series of compelling outdoor spaces. A full suite of V-lay appliances, gas cooktop, butler's pantry, make for a kitchen that is as capable as it is beautiful.
Comfort, space, and atmosphere characterize this master bedroom with a joint study and private balcony. This feature-rich master bathroom with a freestanding bathtub and dual vanity is simply divine.
Nestled in a small and private street, 50 meters from Tranquil Park, the location here is absolutely superb. Within short walking distance to Cannon Road, serviced by City Express buses, Sunnybank Hills Shopping Town, and Canonville Central Shopping Center, and only minutes drive to Sunnybank Hills State School, Pinelands Plaza Shopping Center, Jackson Road Shopping Village, and further to Sunnybank Central Shopping and Commercial Precinct, including Market Square, Sunnybank Plaza, Sunny Park Shopping Center, Sunnybank Private Hospital, as well as to Westfield Garden City, you name it.
Thank you for taking your time with us, Kevin Chiu together with Tom Zhang, as we tour you through this thoughtfully designed custom home, comfortable as it is sophisticated, warm as it is truly excited. There is much more to explore, so give us a call now for your very own private inspection.